Boy, this black mirror was being real stubborn. You wouldn't believe what I had to go through. See, it froze up the screen again. That's the nature of its consciousness. It's not compatible with the heart and soul of first creation. Runs on a different set of alien intelligent machinery codes that are not compatible with the heart and soul spirit of first creation. So it runs what, you know what an interference pattern is, right? An interference pattern. So what does an interference pattern do with your state of consciousness? Interferes with your mind. Okay, what your intentions are to try and disrupt. That's an endocrine disruptor, which is a circuit breaker to cut your circulation speed, which is the metabolic rate of what? Cells. Cellular speed, cellular processor speed. So I thought I'd share an easy translation, because as soon as this came to my mind, my heart, right? The monadic doorway of an oversoul, which is over unity, right? Whirlpools of pure plasma, creation energy. And so it was switching windows on me. No. You're not going to be able to do it right at the time in which you wanted to share it. I'm going to run all these interference patterns on you. And that's what it does. It's an interferer as an intruder. It's an intruder. Right? And so I'll keep this simple. I figure a lot of you know what the game called bowling is, right? So when I was a child, this was easy to translate when you want to translate 12 spheres. Mama's 3 spheres logos, right? The number 4, L phasing. And so when I was a child, there used to be a local bowling alley. So this is how simple it is to translate. When they set up the pins that are known as pins, like a personal identity number, the pins, like pins and labels on Google Maps, Google Earth, pin the location, biometric identity ID scanning, that kind of stuff. And so when you play the game of bowling, they give you a black ball, although the black is not the only colored balls. I've seen some that are many different colors, actually, like different colored discs, disc faces, balls, spheres of light, the inner crystal rainbow. So in this particular case, just using simple numbers, how many pins are there in the game of bowling? 12. What color are those pins painted? White with red stripes. Red cross, ring a bell? Okay, so you have 12 pins, personal identity numbers, like in elementals, like in 144. And what you'll notice, those that are experts in the game of, if you play a perfect game in bowling, right? And because the numbers don't lie when they play a game. Okay. What's called 300. You ever bowled a 300? I bowled a 280 one time. But this is the key, as in ketones. 4 ketones, the original 4 ketones. Tones as a sound in water, fire and water. And that is that you hit the 9 pin. Oh, number 9. You hit the 9 pin, you take them all down. You go after the 9 pin. Take the 9 pin down, and you take the rest of the 12 down. 9. Yeah, the number 9. Now what happens? You flip it and turn it upside down. Oh, you get a 6. Welcome to hex table geometry. Yep. Now imagine you're translating that as a little boy playing a bowling game. 3s, 4s, and 12. Checkmate 7 moves. I know, Mama. Have a beautiful day.